So it's day 6 of the challenge. I'm on a bus. I'm traveling from Jerez, Albania to Struga in Macedonia. I have to do a hop out of the country because we're applying for a residence permit, and you can only apply for the residence permit in Albania within 30 days of arrival. And I've been in Albania now for over 30 days, so it's a quick overnight trip. But the bus trip's only about 5 hours, so we're halfway through and should be there shortly. So yeah, my day 6 forecast was all about looking at unhealthy routines and habits.
Follicular and waning moon is the perfect time to review your personal practices and finish whatever is negative or unhealthy for you. During this energy, you might ask yourself, what old dysfunctional routines and habits can I choose to let go of? And what new practices and mindsets could I adopt to help me form better routines and habits?
And I really noticed that because I'm in a new environment compared to Vietnam, because in Vietnam I got all my meals cooked for, so I did hardly any cooking at all, actually no cooking at all. So here in Albania I have to be cooking all the time, so I'm really getting back to my roots, just like how my mum used to cook for me. And I'm really giving Remy that experience as well with home cooking and baking as well. He just loves, eating the batter out of the bowl and licking the wooden spoon. But what I'm noticing with me is I'm also doing that action, and especially when I'm in my follicular phase, which is straight after my period, I don't really need to be doing that. So I feel there's some work that needs to be done around licking the spoon all the time and having a second helping while I'm cooking, because why? Yeah, I think I have no self-control there. I need to be more disciplined, I feel, I don't need that extra helping that when I'm cooking. So, and why am I doing it? Why am I doing that action? What is the emotion behind that? Is it a sense of I'm going to miss out on the food? I don't know what it is. I think there's more emotion underlying that action of licking the spoon, cooking dinner, and let me just try it. Just try it again. So I've already had 2 massive heaped spoons of rice before I've eaten my dinner. I can't control. It's like I can't control myself. It's a bit emotionally eating, in a sense, I feel. So I think there's some emotions underlying that. I really have to dig deeper into why I'm doing that action and why I can't stop.
Do you want me to add the peesafe menstrual cup steam sterilizer to your shopping cart?
Yes, Alexa.
Your order has been confirmed and will be delivered to you soon.
This is the Alexa, Where is My Period 28-day challenge.